What is data augmentation in LLMs? Data augmentation is like making extra practice problems from the ones you already have to help a model or person to learn better. Data augmentation is a way to create more examples to train the model, so it becomes smarter and works well in many different situations. Let's say you're learning how to identify fruits. You have a few pictures of apples and bananas. To help you learn better, your teacher does something clever. Flips the pictures, now you see apples and bananas upside down. Changes the color slightly, maybe the apple looks a bit darker or lighter. Zooms in or out, some pictures show a close-up of the fruit, while others show the whole fruit. Even though these are still apples and bananas, seeing them in different ways helps you recognize them in all kinds of situations. How does it work in large language models? For a language model, data augmentation is like making new sentences from the ones it already knows. For example, original sentence, the cat is sleeping on the mat. Augmented sentences, on the mat, the cat is sleeping. Changing word order. Augmented sentences, the cat is sleeping on the mat. Changing capitalization. Augmented sentences, the kitty is napping on the mat. Using synonyms. These small changes help the model understand sentences better, even if they look slightly different. Let's take a real-life example. If you're teaching a model to identify polite requests, you might give it this example: "Can you please pass the salt? Can you please pass the salt?" Then, you create more examples using data augmentation. "Could you pass the salt, please? Would you mind passing the salt? Please, pass the salt." By training on these variations, the model learns to recognize polite requests in many forms. How is data augmentation helpful? Data augmentation helps the model learn better with fewer examples. Data augmentation helps the model work well with different types of inputs. Avoid making mistakes when it sees something new or unexpected. Data augmentation is like practicing the same idea in lots of different ways, so the model becomes super smart and ready for anything. Keep learning. Thank you for visiting www.codingscientist.com.